Hello engineers, welcome back to Engineering Design Simplified. In this video series, I will be solving tough engineering mechanics problems. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell button so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Today's problem is a smooth sphere of weight W supported by a string fastened to a point A on a smooth vertical wall. The other end is in contact with point B on the wall as shown in figure. If length of the string AC is equal to radius of the sphere, find tension T in the string and reaction of the wall. Here a smooth sphere of weight W and radius R is attached to a string and whose length is this length is R and this length is R. Total length is 2R and that is hinged here. So we need to find in this problem the tension in this string and the reaction of this wall on this sphere. Let us see in the coming slides how to solve this problem. First, let us draw forces and reactions, and this sphere weight W is acting downwards and reaction of this wall on the sphere, that is R, is acting horizontally, and tension in the string T is acting along this string. So let us call this angle theta and this angle alpha. So we have a triangle here OBA, and one of the length is R and other length is R plus R 2R. So from this triangle OAB, sin theta can be written as R by 2R. Sin theta can be written as R by 2R. So from this theta can be written as sin inverse 1 by 2. So the R and R can be cancelled here. So we get theta equal to sin inverse 1 by 2. So theta equal to 30 degrees. So theta equal to 30 degrees. From this triangle, we know that total angle is 180 degrees. So alpha can be written as alpha equal to 180 minus 90. This angle is 90 minus this angle we have just calculated, that is 30, equal to alpha equal to 60 degrees. Now let us represent this force and reactions on XY plane. So on XY plane, W is acting downwards, R is horizontally acting towards this direction, angle between R and W is 90 degrees, and T is acting towards this direction, angle between horizontal and T is 60 degrees. So angle between T and R can be written as, that is 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, that is 120 degrees. Similarly, angle between T and W can be written as 90 plus 60, that is 150 degrees. Now let us write Lami's theorem. Lami's theorem is W by sin 120, W by sin 120 equal to T by sin 90, that is also equal to R by sin 150. So from first two terms we get T equal to W sin 90 by sin 120. So T is equal to 1.15 into W. Similarly, from first and last term we get R equal to W sin 150 by sin 120. So R is, we have R equal to 0.577 W. That's all for today's video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.